Are you tired of that pesky check engine light or struggling to diagnose issues on your motorcycle? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, ANCEL AD310 Scanner. Let's kick things off with the ANCEL AD310 Classic Enhanced OBDII Scanner. Priced at just $38.49, this tool caught my attention for its simplicity and effectiveness. If you want a straightforward solution to diagnose your motorcycle's issues, this is worth a serious look. It reads and clears error codes and helps you view live data, all without needing any prior mechanical knowledge. The fast response time is crucial. It lets you quickly address emission-related problems, saving you time and money. Plus, it supports all OBDII protocols, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles, from 1996 US-based models to newer foreign cars. Now here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're in a pinch and need to understand what's wrong with your bike, the AD310 will get you those answers fast. It's portable too, weighing under a pound, so it's easy to toss in your bag or keep in your garage for quick access. But let's be real for a second. Some users have complained that the AD310 only diagnoses emission-related issues, which could be a deal-breaker if you need more extensive diagnostics. However, if you're primarily concerned about engine light alerts and general health checks, this limitation might not matter much to you. This tool is perfect for DIY enthusiasts or anyone who wants to troubleshoot their motorcycle without the hassle of a full mechanic's visit. For the price, it's a solid investment for basic needs. Now, if the AD310's limitations bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The ANCEL AD410 Pro. Product number 2, ANCEL AD410 Pro. Next up is the ANCEL AD Pro, priced at $76.99. This 2-in-1 diagnostic tool caught my attention for offering advanced features while still being user-friendly. If you want a tool that doubles as a battery tester, this is worth considering. The AD410 Pro not only covers engine diagnostics, but also tests your 12V battery health. It has 10 diagnostic modes that help you understand everything from live data to EVAP tests, ensuring your bike is ready for inspections. The ability to check battery health can save you from unexpected breakdowns, especially if you ride frequently. Here's why this matters for you. Knowing your battery's condition can prevent those frustrating moments when your bike just won't start. Plus, with features like one-click code clearing and live data tracking, you can quickly troubleshoot problems, saving you time and money. However, a few users mention that it doesn't cover non-emission systems like ABS or SRS. Here's the thing though, as a motorcycle owner looking primarily for engine diagnostics and battery health, this isn't necessarily a deal-breaker if that's your focus. This product is perfect if you're a weekend rider who wants to keep things running smoothly without the complexity of a full automotive scanner. But skip this if you need to diagnose advanced systems, as it may not meet all your needs. It's definitely a great value for the features it offers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for motorcycle enthusiasts looking for comprehensive diagnostics. The VEHLIVE Motorcycle System Diagnostic Tool. Product number 3, VEHLIVE Motorcycle Scanner. The VEHLIVE Motorcycle System Diagnostic Tool is next, priced at $35.92. This caught my eye thanks to its compact design and specific motorcycle features. If you want a motorcycle-focused diagnostic tool without breaking the bank, this one deserves your attention. This tool supports OBDII diagnostics and offers battery testing capabilities, which is rare in this price range. You can read and clear error codes, perform real-time data monitoring, and even check your battery's voltage status. It's designed specifically for various motorcycle brands like Yamaha, Honda, and Kawasaki, making it a versatile choice for riders. Here's why this matters for you. If you ride multiple brands or simply want a tool that can diagnose different bikes, this is a fantastic pick. The ease of use with its one-click functions takes away the intimidation factor, making it accessible for everyone, whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a beginner. However, some users noted that it requires an additional adapter for certain motorcycle models, which could be a hassle. But honestly, for the price, it's still a worthwhile investment if you're looking for something you can easily use for basic diagnostics without needing a ton of extra gear. This one is perfect for casual riders or DIY mechanics who want a no-fuss solution for diagnostics. Skip it if you own a model that doesn't have an adapter available, since that could complicate things. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if this motorcycle-specific tool piqued your interest, the next product is for those who really want to take their diagnostics to the next level: the Top Diag M300. Product number 4, Top Diag M300. Now let's talk about the Top Diag M300, priced at $383.74. I was drawn to this tool for its extensive features and professional capabilities. If you want something that handles both diagnostics and printing reports, this one is worth considering. The M300 can perform full system diagnostics across multiple motorcycle modules, which is something many other tools lack. This comprehensive approach means you can tackle difficult maintenance issues that other tools might miss. Why does this matter? If you're running a workshop or are serious about maintaining your bike, having access to such detailed diagnostics can save you from costly repairs down the line. Plus, the built-in printer allows you to generate reports for customer service or personal records, which is a fantastic feature for professionals. On the downside, this is a significant investment, and some users mentioned it might have a steep learning curve due to its advanced features. Here's the thing. If you're someone who takes maintenance seriously and wants a tool that grows with your skills, the M300 is worth every penny. This tool is perfect for shop owners or dedicated motorcycle enthusiasts who want comprehensive access to diagnostics and reporting features. But if you're a casual rider looking for something simpler, you might want to consider a more straightforward option. Given its capabilities, the price is justified for those who need it. Finally, let's wrap things up with the last product that balances features and cost: the VHLIV V880 Motorcycle Scanner. Product number 5, VHLIV V880 Scanner. The VHLIV V880 scanner is up next, priced at $50.04. I was intrigued by its blend of affordability and functionality. If you want a budget-friendly scanner that still covers the essentials, this one's a great option. This tool provides all the basic diagnostic functions like reading and clearing codes, monitoring battery status, and performing quick tests. It's built for ease of use with a plug-and-play design and a 2.8-inch color screen that makes viewing results straightforward. It covers multiple motorcycle brands and supports various diagnostic functions, making it suitable for different riders. Why does this matter? If you're just getting into motorcycle maintenance or need a reliable backup tool, the V880 offers a lot for the price. However, some users have pointed out that it may not have as many advanced features as higher-end models. But honestly, for the average motorcycle rider who just wants to diagnose common issues, this isn't a deal-breaker. It's still an excellent tool for basic maintenance and checks. This is perfect for new riders or hobbyists who want a straightforward way to keep their bikes running smoothly. Skip it if you're looking for advanced features, since it might not meet all your needs, but for the cost, it's a fantastic entry-level tool. Now that we've gone through these top 5 diagnostic tools, let's wrap up and compare them all. To quickly recap, we covered the ANCEL AD310 for basic diagnostics, the ANCEL AD410 Pro for engine and battery testing, the VHLIV Motorcycle Scanner for budget-conscious riders, the Top Diag M300 for advanced features and professional use, and the VHLIV V880 for a solid entry-level tool. However, I'd avoid the Top Diag M300 if you're just a casual rider, since it's a bit overkill for basic needs. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.